This is introduction of Power BI part 3 lecture, and the agenda of this video will be: first, visual with Power BI desktop, what is source file, Power BI desktop overview, and the comparison between Excel and Power BI. Keep watching this video. So first, look of our Power BI desktop report, how we are going to create our reports and how it will look like. This is a screenshot of Power BI with three of the visualization. This is the card, this is the dongle chart, and this is our map. This is our Power BI desktop tool. So here from right we have data. Under this section you will find out all the data set what you have connected with your Power BI tool. So here all the columns you will get. It is the column from your sheet as well as some columns what you are going to generate here. This is the visualization section. Here you will get all the visualizers like map, chart, dongle, card. So many things are there which we will learn in upcoming videos. And this is a filter. We can use this section to apply the filters in our application. In the bottom we have one a logo. It's look like a desktop, so it show us the desktop overview layout. This will show us mobile layout. Page 1 is there, we can rename it from here, and we can also new page here by clicking this button. This section where you are getting these maps and everything, this is the section where we are going to work. We will place our visualizer here to create report and database. On the left hand side you have this report view, then you have a data view. You will get all the data what you are going to visualize over report or dashboard. Here is the section. In this you will get all the tables related things like columns, and if you have numbers of tables and there are primary key foreign key relationship is there, then you will also get everything on this panel. There is a file in which you will get a very common options like save, new, open, and option and setting. One new thing is there with the help of which you can jump into the options. This is a data setting option, and this is the option where you will get additional things you can enable. You can make the changes of your desktop overview. These are the global options and these are the current file options, reasons, dates, and everything. For the reasons, just check, yeah, it is US, um, English United States. For language and all it is here, and for report setting is there. You can click here and go to the report settings. Okay, so this is the section which we will get from file. Then we'll jump to the home. Here paste, cut, copy is there. I hope you guys are very familiar for those things. But other than this, like data, in data, get data, you can use this section to connect with your data source directly. You can jump with the Excel workbook, data hub, SQL server, data entry. You can create your own data table in the desktop, BI desktop, and recent file what you have visited or what you have created you will find out from here. This is the query, data transformation and refresh. If something you have done on your data source, then you can refresh from here, or you can jump to the transfer data to check the changes what you have performed. As new add for new visuals you have this button. You can add text and many more visuals. New measures, quick measures are there which you can apply into your data set. Publish button is there. It helps us to publish our created report or dashboard over the network. Insert option is there. We can insert new visuals, more visuals. This is the AI visual sections. With the help of that, we have to just pass minimal amount of data and it will create a report for you. It will give the answers in a form of chart, reports, and many more. We'll learn in upcoming videos. This is the few things which provided by Power Platform: paginated, Power App, Power Automate. Text button is there, shapes are there. You can implement images, you can insert in your reports. Then modeling. A little bit I'm here I'm just want to give you a little glimpse about modeling. Modeling is just a kind of making normalization in SQL Server. In the modeling, again we have new measures, quick measures, new columns, new tables, and new parameters are there. You can manage your roles, to whom you want to show your desktop or dashboards or your reports. Language sections are there. You can select and change the language. View, you can make the changes in overall view of your reporting sections. Page views are there. Mobile layout, you can check and get mobile layout. uh, Grid line, nap trail, lock objects are there. Filters are there. You can apply bookmark selections. You can measure your performance with the help of performance analyzer. You can check how long your report is taking to upload a particular report or refreshing the data. Sync slicer, actually we are using slicer for apply the filters on the reports and the dashboards. Optimize, with the help of these sections we can optimize the performance of our report and dashboard, like the time of a refreshment and how long it is taking to perform one refreshment or loading a data. Everything we can get from here. We can pause the visuals, refresh the visuals, optimize this thing. Performance analyzers apply all size buttons with the help of these things. Help menu will help us to get help from Microsoft or get the guidelines uh, like uh, about your tool, guided learning, training videos, documents, supports, Power BI blogs, community, Power BI developers, and many more are there. Just install the application and start uh, like clicking one by one everything. You will get so many things while jumping into the tool. So this is our tool on which we are going to work very shortly. Are there. What is source file? Actually, I'm going to use this source file term in this video. That's why I thought it is good to give you a small brief about source file. A source file in Power BI is an initial data provider that serves as the foundation of building analytics and visualization within the Power BI environment. In Power BI, a source file typically refers to a file from which data is imported or connected to build reports, dashboards, visualizations. This file could be in various formats such as Excel, CSV, JSON, SQL database, SharePoint list, web page, etc. Actually, this is going to help us to collect the data on which we are going to create our report or visualization. This is maybe a raw data or a full-fledged developed data which we are going to use. Difference between Power BI and Excel. Yes, both of the tools are working with data sets and also able to create the reports and visualizations, but Power BI have lot more on the basis of purpose and focus, size and scalability, data modeling and transformation, visualization and reporting. So these all are the points what I have covered. You can go through all the points and get all the basic differences between Excel and Power BI. Thank you for watching this video. We'll see you in upcoming videos.